Hello guys and welcome to another UK Card Club card review video. Today we are looking at the abandoned playing cards. Now this deck has been created or designed by Davidson, produced by Cartamundi, and these are for Dynamo's brand new tour, The Abandoned Room. So I'm extremely pleased to have got these. These are limited edition. I think they said that there was 2,500 made. May be wrong, but I think it's about 2,500. And I think 2,000 of them were taken for audience members. So you had to go on the tour to receive a deck, or to buy a deck, or whichever. And the other 500 went on public sale on Dynamo's website, and that's where I picked it up from. I'm gonna get it out of the packaging and then we can have a quick look, and then we'll delve into it. Now, yeah, I'm going to pause the video and get that bad boy open. And we are in. So, first thing to note here, the tuck case is phenomenal. It's sort of like a matte black with like a gold embossing, green embossing, metallic. It's all very, very, very pretty. Nice leaves in the corner here. Established in London, 2013, I think. 2018. My bad. Strange is the night where the black stars rise. So this is all in gold embossing as well, which is kind of hard for you to see. Some of it's embossed, like these parts here are. This is all flat. Look at that. Now, I don't know if this is going to set an expectation for the back of these cards to be incredible. I mean, if it looks like this, they're going to be incredible, but I don't know if they are metallic yet because I've not opened it up, but it's very, very nice. On the back here we have some coordinates. Now, I don't know whether this is the coordinates of the abandoned room. I might check that out on Google and find out where those coordinates take you. Dynamo, designed by Davidson, manufactured by Cartamundi. And then the abandoned room. Again, it's just a beautiful golden green. It kind of reminds me a bit of like the Wizard of Oz, the Emerald City. Let's crack it open and get inside. Well, that was easy going, wasn't it? I was worried about bending that. So inside we've got these sort of embossed, they look like gate finials on the flaps. And inside, ooh, this deck's actually sealed, plastic sealed. So the inside is totally matte black, and I don't know how easy it's going to be to get into these. Very crap at it. Oh no, there's a big tab thing here, so you just pull that and we're straight in, which is handy because I'm terrible at getting those out, getting those opened. So. Ooh. Stuff stuck to my hands. So here we have the Ace of Spades, abandoned playing cards, established in London, and we've got a window there from presumably the abandoned room. And these look like standard faces, presumably Cartamundi standard faces. Very nice, off-coloured. So this isn't the standard colouring. It's very nice, I like that. Standard aces, and then a variety of the different colour. Very, very nice. Again, standard faces all the way through, and see what we get with this. So we get, let's move these out of the way. So we get the Joker here, abandoned, and there's like a, almost like a derelict house's chair there. Very cool. Same again in black. So we've got the gold and then the black. We've got a blank face. And we've got a bit of information there. Right, let's look into the deck a bit further. So we have here the back design. Now it isn't metallic, but it is very, very nice. Exactly the same as we saw in the tuck case. but a sort of darker green, as it doesn't have that metallic light reflectivity. The gold is sort of duller, obviously. Handling, fantastic. Feels very, very, very nice. Extremely nice. Very impressed. Yeah, these are just really, really, really nice. Look at them. They feel fantastic. Now, I've always been a massive fan of the United States Playing Card Company. So, you know, for me, I didn't really know what to expect. It could have been a disaster, to be honest. And I think the public who, fans of Dynamo, etc., would buy it just because it's Dynamo branded. You know, I often see magicians endorsing magic sets, and it's usually very rudimentary, very plasticky, very cheap. It's usually aimed at kids. It gets people started, and don't get me wrong, you can perform stuff with those tricks, but the decks of cards supplied in those are usually pretty terrible. Other magicians have obviously done their own ranges of cards, and they're fantastic. But I mean, I don't know how far Dynamo's fan base or reach goes internationally, but obviously he's well known in the UK. And yeah, I'm just really impressed. These are just really nice cards. Definitely worth getting. If you can get your hands on them, that is. I don't know how hard these are to get hold of post that 500 that were sold on the website. But I'm a huge fan of these. Very, very nice. And I'm glad I opened them. I wasn't going to. With them being limited edition, there's a lot of cards in my collection that I just won't open. Not for the YouTube channel. But these I just had to. And I'm really, really glad I did. They're beautiful. Thanks for watching, guys. And I'll catch you next time when we'll be reviewing something else. Take care.